has a startup sound. Here it goes. Yes, it's got the cooling hole in the hub. This is by far one of my favorite box stands because it has a startup sound capacitor and motor. These are very, very hard to come by. Very hard because Lasko likes to play that game with the capacitors. And spin it down because I'm using this one. So I'm just going to spin it down. Has a pretty cool startup sound. When I get ready to use it, it will be running. And there's that hole for cooling. And there it is. Pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Lamont the Fan Man, I'm back. Studio will be open up tonight and out.